severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County, southern Granville County, north central Wake County, Durham County, west central Franklin County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carborough, or near Chapel Hill, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durham, Chapel Hill, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Carborough, Butner, Stem, Lake Michie, Falls Lake State Rec Area, and Anno River State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Granville, Orange, and Wake. This is NOAA Weather Radio.